Screw it. I'm selling the SP and getting this. Alright, man, we are on this thing. We are on the Rocket, the Triumph Rocket 2500 C to the C, son. That's all them C's, okay? That's all the C's. You can't get no more C's than this. Yeah, we on it. We're gonna test ride this thing today. It looks fun. It looks like a beast of a machine, but it is still surprisingly decently nimble. So let's get going here. That exhaust sound is money. My initial when I'm getting on the bike, I think this is it's essentially it's a good height. I like this because then I can control the bike even though it's big. And this bike is comfy, surprisingly nimble for what it is. Obviously you're not going to be carving it up hard with this thing, but this thing is mad cruise style, bro. Love it. It's got the cruise control, all your settings on the left hand side here. It's got different, I think it's got 4 ride modes, but I'm in sport right now. Let's listen to that. Woo! Listen to 2500 cc's, bro. Sorry fam, I'm geeking. Alright, we have pulled up on this thing right here. Look at this thing. I've seen people review on this bike already, so I always kind of wanted to ride it. I'm glad that Triumph brought one out here. Look at that Rocket 3. Oh son, 2500 of all the cc's. Yeah, I'm gonna get back on it and see how she rides. I'm only, like I said, all these things, I only got like 10-15 minutes on these things, fam. So it does got a keyless fob, a keyless start, so the key is in my pocket, so that's pretty cool. Gas tank is pretty cool. But man, I love the way it sits low like this though. I'm kind of a fan of this kind of mid right here too. I'm not hating it. I think I probably like this a little bit more than the Scout, where it had the controls way the heck up here. But yeah, this thing is this thing is a beast. Let's get on it. Nice burble from the exhaust. Nice little cruise here. We'll get into the power band here in just a sec. We're gonna see what 2500 cc's feels like. Power. Oh my god, 2500 cc's! Holy crap! Oh god. Yeah, that's fun. Yo, this is a fun bike, yo. Mirrors in a good position. Vibration is minimal for it being as big as it is, to be honest with you. This one doesn't vibrate, this one doesn't even vibrate as much as the FTR 1200. The sitting position, I don't know, like I said, man, I don't know if my booty's just too big. Like all these seats, they feel like really small for me. I don't know. So maybe just because I'm not used to it, that's a possibility, okay, that I'm just not used to it. But it just feels really small. I don't know why. But come and try it. If you've never tried one, at least go sit on it so you can kind of see what I'm talking about the seat. It could fit you just fine. it could fit you just fine. You won't have a problem with it. But is it comfortable? Yes. Is it comfortable to sit for a few hours to ride? I would, yeah, I would say so. But I mean, as you can see, it has no fairings, right? So obviously I'm only at 60 miles an hour, but when you get up into the speeds like I was a while ago, then yeah, it can be a bit much. But, I mean, you're getting smashed by the wind. So the pegs work. I think that the pegs work really good. Like I said, I'm kind of digging these mid controls. I believe one of the guys from Triumph, they said that just the Rocket R has the mid controls, and the GT version has the more forward controls. But yeah, this thing's not bad, cruising at about 57 in 5th gear. Not too bad. Let's get it all the way up in 6. So there's the rumble that I'm used to. So it probably is just on 6th gear. The engine size itself is what causes the rumble or the vibration to happen that I'm feeling. So not too bad though. Oh, listen to that exhaust note though. Get it one time. Oh yeah. But yeah, I mean, I've got, this is actually the inseam on there is like, it's like perfect for me. I've got flat foot and a little bit of, just a little bit of bend in the knees. But yeah, I mean, this thing is absolutely beautiful. I mean, just look at this thing out in the streets here, fam. Just look at this. Look how great that thing looks sitting in the street. Just look at that. Woo! Yeah, this thing looks good. I ain't gonna lie. If I had the money, y'all, oh God, if I had the money, I would probably get one of these. I ain't gonna lie, okay? Out of all the ones, even the Scout, because I actually like the Scout too, but it's set a little low. But this one is like sort of perfect height. Oh, I gotta open my visor, fam. I can't breathe in here. It's hot. This is like the perfect height for me. And man, and like it really is a comfortable bike to ride. But I honestly like this. I'm really surprised by this. I was kind of expecting this because like this bike a lot of people like. I was expecting this, but I wasn't expecting it, because man, this thing, dude, it's really smooth. Power delivery on it is good. It just lightly on the throttle, and it's so I'm not switching into different modes. I'm just running it in sport mode, okay? Because I really just want to get the feel of the bike. Hey look, I'm having fun on this bike. So this bike gives me the same feel in regards to fun, playfulness that the SP gives me. But this one is just not gonna wheelie as easily as the SP. But oh man, this thing is stable. It's pretty planted to the road. But like I said, I'm not in the mountains. I'm not in the twisties and stuff like that. But oh man, but this thing though, brakes are good. They bite really good. They stop the bike well. Oh my God, the torque on this thing. Oh my God. Oh shit. Oh my God, dude. Screw it. I'm selling the SP and getting this. I'm kidding. I am not selling Beyonce, fam. Forget that. We are back, okay? Done with the rocket, okay? The I can't talk, damn it. The Triumph Rocket 3R, fam. But if you in the market and you got the monies, get this thing right here, fam. Get this thing right here. I ain't gonna lie. This is so much fun. The mid controls are really good. The ride height is good. Would I buy this bike? Yes. Can I afford it? No. So to you who can afford it and you're in the market for something like this, absolutely, man. Like, I would recommend this bike to you, okay? And what kind of rider would this be, man? I don't know, bro. Like, somebody like me, like you, if you just like riding, then get this thing, dude. Like, oh man, this has been, like I said, this has been the funnest bike that I've been on all the demo rides today. But that's basically gonna do it for my short review of the Triumph Rocket 3R.